Hello guys, this is our YouTube channel and moreover this is everybody's channel, Cook and Enjoy Recipes. Today we will learn about how to make sirka pyaj. So I have an empty jar of marinara sauce, which is a pasta sauce. I suppose I took it from the market, from retail outlet, and I use this jar for putting sirka pyaj. I added two large tablespoon of vinegar to this and add 4 times water into that and add freshly cut onion into that. Vinegar is not only appetizer, it not only increases our appetite two or three times, but also help in better digestion as well as help in the better bowel movement. I will make it not a lengthy recipe but a shorter one so that you can learn easily in a very simple and easy steps. 2 slices of beetroot to it. Then add a few amount of salt to it, at least 1/4 or not half a teaspoon but 1/4 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of sugar into that uh, and half a teaspoon of sugar and our sirka pyaj are ready. So basically our sirka pyaj are ready. It tastes good with every recipe, North Indian, South Indian, every recipe it goes good with. Don't forget to add 2 chilies cutting slanting, so it give pinch of spicy taste to it, which is very mandatory. So put sugar and salt in such a ratio that it can be more sweet than salty, and put for half an hour in the sun and then place it in your refrigerator, and you can relish it as many as days you can, because vinegar is the best preservative we already have, that is naturally occurring. I have put salt and sugar in such a ratio because we have reached to such a level that we put these condiments and salts with approximation. So you have to, if you are a layman, you have to add it with proper care so that it can retain its usual taste. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.